Okay, so here we are. About 23 minutes we're going to be leaving to go hike Mount Kearsarge. So getting a little nervous but excited. Off to see the supermoon. So let's see how everyone else is doing.
So I just looked up how to defend a black bear in case we encounter one of those. You're supposed to make noise and approach and always keep your eyes on it. Never turn your back. So I am mentally prepared for this hike.
Yeah? Okay. Let's go see how Beck's doing. Beck, how you feeling? You ready for the hike? Okay, what are you watching there?
Just a little orange.
Oh God, we gotta love her.
Mentally prepared.
Okay, we're gonna go see Kels now. Here's Kels getting her hair all ready to go hike the mountain. How you feeling?
Feeling great. Feeling really energized right now.
Yeah? We got this, right? Here we go. Okay, so
want?
now it's about 20 minutes out, then we'll be heading over. Okay, we're getting ready to head out, just waiting for Beck. Everyone's got their freeze pops, you know, never know when you might need something, backpacks. Here we go. We're out of here.
You got your backpack?
Duplex 38 takes Mount Sunapee. Here we go. Everyone's ready. Here we are pulling out of CSC. Everyone's ready. Kelsey's driving us.
You text Sarah Barry, let her know we're on our way.
Oh yes. You always have to be responsible. Nothing like a little T-Swift getting us pumped up to hike the mountain. Woo! Just got on the road. Here we go. We're almost there. Woo!
Yeah.
So we just showed up at Mount Kearsarge, getting kind of blinded by the flash. Can't even walk. So we're about to get on the trail.
No. Yeah. To trails.
To trails. Here we go.
I don't want to be last. Will you be last?
Sure.
Sure. Okay, we'll walk next to you.
Let's get flashlights.
No, guys, let your eyes adjust. Yeah, because Mary's flashing the light.
Where are we going?
I'm so scared already.
Signs up there. Can we calm down a moment?
Let your eyes adjust.
Just hold on a second.
Let your eyes adjust.
Okay.
I also brought a hat.
Well, toodaloo.
See you
Okay, we're taking Barlow Trail, 1.8 miles to the summit.
at the top.
Here we go. Like, woo!
But there's a top dog.
Okay. We're taking a little break.
We're about a half mile into the hike.
Not even.
So, just getting some water. A little hut, but
About to take my
so far we haven't seen anything.
Really good. We're
doing
Keep
pretty
hearing
good.
stuff though.
Yeah.
heard a few howls, but we're doing all right.
Yeah.
Things caught up to us too quickly, so couple bear sightings, but it's all good.
Beaver trails.
Okay. Over. Here we go. Still making our way up, making good time. Eclipse isn't till 10:11, so we got plenty of time to get there.
Like someone we do. Right?
Okay, so we made it to the top finally. Here we go. Casey, Beck.
It's so
Can't really see you. Wait, where's my pointer? What the heck?
that one day.
Oh, come a little closer. I need. Okay, so we just made it to the top of Mount Kearsarge. Probably not going to be able to see it, but the moon's up there. Oh yeah, you can. Looks very pretty. We have a great view. Some people up here. They got telescopes and stuff and winter coats.
Chelsea, you want to sit here?
We're all here with our
Okay.
sweatshirts, not that prepared, but we all made it.
There's room right here.
Say hello, everyone.
Hi.
Oh, that's just Casey.
Very
Kels.
Hi.
Okay, so I'll let you know when we head back down.
Am I gonna fit there? Sure.
Okay, so the moon's almost out of the eclipse. It's getting nice and red. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're pretty cool.
Bloody moon.
I can barely see you. There's the moon. It's getting smaller. You can't really see it. Okay. See you later. Over and out. That's it. Okay. Okay, so here we are. The lunar eclipse is about to happen. We just got joined by our friend Allie.
Hi.
She's got the headlamp, a lot more prepared than us, but it's getting colder out here, but we're suffering through.
Yep, ready to roll.
Here we go. One last one, we can't really see it, so but we're out of here.
Here we go, ladies.
We're going down. Okay, so we've been passing these writings on rocks most of the way down. The last rock said "we can," and now it says "see you."
Strawberry!
Cal, come on.
Oh, we made it till the end. It's about 11:15 at night, so we're about to go home, get some rest, and get ready for class tomorrow. Hopefully it might be mountain day, but yeah, internship.
I'm done. Never climbing a mountain again.
I don't know if you can see the moon, probably not, but it's very pretty. See ya.